We are a company that was originally just engineering, and now that company has transformed into engineering, utilities, civil construction, telecom, and several other divisions as well. We're currently at our DDS Companies training location. Basically, this is where we bring all of our new hires. We take them through a full week of orientation. In this phase here, we actually get them out, we actually do an excavation, we show them the ins and outs, and teach them all the safety that goes along with that. Our gas line is about 3 feet, maybe potentially up to 4 feet below grade. There is no live gas that we're working with today. We'll be trying out some new tooling from Reed Manufacturing today.
Several tools we've used today are the squeeze tool, guillotine tool, the bear hug, the pump stick, and the bevel boss. I have experience selling Reed for many, many years. Long-standing company, excellent high-quality product. Reed has that family kind of feel to it. Very easy to deal with. Product is readily available. On job sites, gas-powered tools and electric cords, all that are going away. Right now there are still a few things where they can't get away from that, but for the most part, that's the way of the future.
Show off.
I absolutely would recommend Reed tools to any end user, plumbing, mechanical, electrical. Customers love it.